Most people have no idea this is possible. An entire AI app can be created in under 2 minutes, and the result is insane. This is Google AI Studio. And what's about to happen next feels unreal. A full working app built from nothing but text. No coding, no setup, just an idea. Today, let's build a simple gardening assistant that identifies plants from a photo and gives detailed care instructions. First, open Google AI Studio, and then just describe the idea using plain text. So for us, we just type a gardening assistant that identifies plants and gives care instructions. Next, choose your AI model. Gemini 3 Pro Preview for the newest capabilities, 2.5 Pro for deeper reasoning, or 2.5 Flash for a faster, more affordable option. For this demonstration, we will use the latest model, which is Gemini 3. Now we're ready to click Build and let the AI create the entire app for us. Let's start the timer. So, in the left panel, you will see the app being generated in real time. In this panel on the right, the finished app will appear for your review. While we wait for the app to build, remember, this is all happening from a single prompt. It is so impressive how fast AI is moving. Don't get left behind. Subscribe to stay ahead. And here's the wild part. Tools like Google AI Studio are making it possible for anyone, literally anyone, to create real apps without needing to learn code. This used to take months. Now it takes minutes. And the only thing standing between an idea and a finished product is your willingness to try it. And here's the truth a lot of people miss. The people who learn how to use these tools now will be way ahead in the next few years. This is the moment where being early actually matters. Mastering AI tools today is like being one of the first people to learn the internet in the 90s. So if you want more videos on how to build apps like this in minutes, or if you want tutorials, breakdowns, and new AI tool demos as they release, make sure you're subscribed. All right, here we are. Let's stop the timer. The AI just built us our own personal botany assistant in under 2 minutes. Let's test it by uploading a photo of a plant. Incredibly, the app correctly identifies the plant, gives us a short description, shares an interesting fact, and provides step-by-step instructions to care for the plant. And we can use the chat box at the bottom to ask the AI to make any changes for us, like edit the design or layout of the app, or add any new features. You can also switch to full screen mode or preview how the app looks on a phone or tablet with one click. And that's it. A complete AI-powered app built in under 2 minutes with zero code, all from a simple description. This is a total game changer, and most people still have no idea this is possible. Don't fall behind. Subscribe to stay ahead of AI.